didn't speak to me. That's why I feel like in the end. That's why I feel like in the end, I don't know. It's obviously not feelings. Think of it. It's obviously.
Hi guys, you're welcome back to your favorite channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Dorathy finally reveals her true feelings for Brighto. She revealed, "I only lost after Brighto, no feelings for him." Big Brother Naija, Bbnaija housemate Dorathy on Saturday night revealed the only thing she has for Brighto is lust and nothing more. Recall that Brighto had told Dorathy he is in love and has feelings for her. However, Watoni seems to have interest in him, as they have spent the past 2 nights on the same bed. Dorathy confronted Watoni on Saturday night about the situation between her and Brighto. When asked what she wants with Brighto, Dorathy says she does not have true feelings for him but lust. She, however, promised to back down and save their friendship if Watoni wants a relationship with Brighto. In Dorathy's words, she said, "There's just something about Brighto that I like, but it's not feelings. I need to know if you are trying to get his full attention, so I'll back out because I'm not trying to stay in your way. Brighto is smart, so I don't know. I'm talking to you because I don't want to have a problem with you. I respect our friendship more than the lust I have for Brighto." Okay guys, it seems Dorathy, Brighto and Watoni are caught in a triangle. Let's see how this is going to play out. What are your thoughts on all of this? Please let me know in the comment section below. And please, if this is your first time of watching my video, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when the story drops.